Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable short suggestions on YouTube. So to do that, make sure you are logged into your YouTube account and you are in your YouTube feed, and scroll down until you find the shorts section. And then what you want to do is to click on these three dots here on the top right hand corner of one of the shorts and tap not interested, and then make sure you do that for all of them. So I'm going to remove them all, and now the shorts are not going to show up for a couple days. They should go away for up to 30 days, unless that channels that you are subscribed to post shorts, then they're going to show up, but these random suggestions are going to go away for a while, and whenever they return, make sure you do that again to keep them away from your feed. So that's it for today. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one.